Guys, real quick, I'm messing around with this vinyl wrap here. As you can see, I took off the door handle right here. Pretty easy to take it off. You would have to, well, you have to take off the door panel, which I have off. It's right here. As you can see the speaker and all the internals here. As you can see, they have like some sound dampening or something here to cover up all the internals there. You have the lock right here, and you have the window button here to put your window up and down. If you already know how to take off the door, that's the most work you have to do. Now to get this door handle off, there's a small tiny black grommet thing here. You can take this off with your fingers. It's not locked in on there. And inside there, what you can't see, yeah, okay, you can see it a little bit there. You're going to stick this thing right here inside there, and you're going to twist. That little thing is going to stop. And then let's imagine that the entire door handle is still on here. Just like that. Let's say that this part was intact. When you unscrew this little bolt here that's in there, it's going to free up this little piece here. It's going to pull straight out. No wiring, no nothing. Same for this side here. Let me put it back in. Push it over like that. So once this side is out, pull back like that, and it comes directly out. Now I know in the previous models there was like a cord or a wire or something like that attached to this handle, but on the Gen 2 2019 there's no cord on there. So you don't have to go inside here and take any plugs out or anything like that. The previous models you have to take off a harness like this out of the door handle. And that was a quick little demonstration. I thought I was going to have to come in here and take the harness off or something like that. So when I found out I didn't, that was pretty cool. So yeah, guys. So yeah, you can see that the door is off. All I did was take off all the screws. I pulled the door, the cover towards me, and then I put the window down. So you're gonna lift the door panel up and over this little lock thing here, and then obviously you're gonna unclip this little thing here. So yeah, this entire piece right here, you see it, and there's some clips underneath here that snap right into place. They're on the inside here. You can't really see them, but all you gotta do is slide this thing back over this thing. Instead of pulling the clips out and breaking the clips, you just lift the entire door up. And you can do that with the window down or with the window up, but I suggest doing that with the window down. So just slide everything up, the entire panel. Alright, so this little hole here I made, you gotta put this rubber grommet, or rubber piece, whatever it is. It's like a little hook right here. Look at that right there. See, it's not going to close with that in there. So you're going to have to... Let me see if I can pull it up. There it is. You got to pull it all the way over. There. Oh, it's in there now. So now you just push it forward. Let me just close the door with it. There we go. Open it up. Then you're going to get that little screwdriver that I showed you guys in the beginning and just tighten that down right there. Alright, so we're going to get a T20. Put it right in here. There it is. is it's tight now. It's not going anymore. So you tighten it down until it can't turn anymore. Alright, so we're good to go. Close the door.